Imperfect Carpentry. Neither Brad nor I can figure it out. 3 1/4 nails, fired from the gun, hose hooked to the big red air compressor, are leaving half their lengths exposed. Pull them, there's a big ugly hole, sometimes splintering. Grab the hammer to bury them proper, and every damn one bends like spaghetti. I'm paying Brad for this job. I do help. I can fetch tools and boards, serve as a clamp or a brace, be another set of eyes. I feel like less of a putz as Brad fails equally hard as me. His hammers strike as skilled as any I've seen on TV. Miracle home renovations. Nails curve. Hammerhead depressions accumulate. Steel nail heads fold like tortillas. Painting may not be the plan anymore. Pain in the ass? Yup. Kind of exciting though. My sister is flying from Texas in April for her first experience in the rough construction space she'll call home until she inherits the upstairs too, and muse her future basement apartment for cheap but nice potentialities. Since our parallel, disparate childhoods, Diane and I have set our minds together frequently enough to learn our limited options don't mean the end. Let carpenters build. Hell, let carpenters die. My sister and I'll figure something out. Ladies and gentlemen, for your viewing pleasure, check out what my sister and I figured out. And you know what? While I was napping in my chair, check out who did all the work. It's my sister, Diane. Woohoo!